to make this yummy party moi moi, I'll be using these ingredients. I have my peeled beans, cleanly peeled and washed, and I have soaked it for 30 minutes, so it is easy for me to break with my finger. I also have crayfish here. I have washed the crayfish. I've picked out all the dirt from the crayfish. Also, I'll be using paprika pepper. I like to use paprika pepper for my MoiMoi recipe because it makes my MoiMoi color pop. And I'll be using 2 bulbs of onions. This is what I'll be using to create my MoiMoi puree. So now I'm going to go ahead to blend this until it is smooth. So here is the puree I got after blending the beans. So now it's time to add other ingredients into the beans. I'll start by adding my crayfish seasoning cube into the beans. I love using crayfish seasoning cube for my MoiMoi. You can use any other seasoning cube you like. I'll also add in enough salt for taste. Then I'm going to mix this together. I'll mix it till the salt and the seasoning cube dissolve to the beans puree. At this point, I realized the mixture was too thick, so I added in some water to lighten up the thickness. So I'm going to stir this together and make sure I get the right consistency. The last ingredient I'm adding to this mixture is vegetable oil. I'm going to add in enough vegetable oil to this mixture and I'm going to stir it together till the oil is well incorporated into the beans mixture. Now it's time to go on with the real business. I have this fish here. I have flaked it and removed all the bones in the fish, and I have some sliced eggs that I'll be adding into the MoiMoi. Yeah, I'm just trying to check if the MoiMoi mixture consistency is right. I'm thinking if I should add more water or not, but well, the consistency is okay. So now this is the leaf I'll be using for this MoiMoi. So this is how to prepare your leaf. You're going to cut out this extra is this stem? I don't know what it's called. Then I'm going to cut out the midrib. I have a video showing how to wrap MoiMoi with leaf. I'm going to try and link that up somewhere so you can go ahead to watch it. So it's time to wrap in our MoiMoi. You're going to fold your leaves in a cone-like manner, like I did here. You fold it well. Make sure you fold it well. Then you're going to just bend the down parts, yes, so as to seal the mouth. So now I'm going to pour in the mixture. I'll pour in enough quantity. Make sure it's not too much and make sure it's not too small. I'm going to pour in the mixture, then I'm going to add the egg and the fish. So this is what I'm going to do to all the MoiMoi wraps. After wrapping, I have placed it all in a pot, so now it's time to cook. I'm going to pour in water that will be enough to cook the MoiMoi, and I'm going to cover it up and place it on the stove for 30 to 40 minutes. At this point, the MoiMoi is almost ready, so I'm just checking to see if it is well cooked. So like I said, I cooked this for 30 to 40 minutes. So now the MoiMoi is ready. Let's check it out. The MoiMoi came out really well. Nice texture, the right color. You can see the color is popping. Very tasty. Try this recipe and let me know the outcome in the comments section. So that will be all on our MoiMoi making for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more recipe videos. Give this video a like and please share to your friends and family, and also drop me a comment on what you think about this MoiMoi recipe. Thank you once again for watching. Till I come your way next time, stay safe. Bye.